Here we are at Smith Point Marina, which is off of Smith Point near the Potomac, near the mouth of the Potomac. Came here today from Deltaville. Made a pretty good time, the winds were pretty good. Started off a little light, 5 to 10, and then started going 15 to 17 or so. We're able to take showers up in that tiny little house above the flag. And now we are about to make some dinner. We're going to grill some steaks on the grill. They put us up by the fuel dock and it looks like another boat came in to try and get some fuel, so I'm not sure how they're going to handle that. Very carefully it looks like. It's a nice catamaran. We met these guys from Rochester, New York. They're headed down to Key Largo. Sounds like they're going to take another month or so to get there. And here's our boat, Best Mode.